Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between the Mosasaurus from Jurassic World and Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic together as one character. So let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shadow from Sonic the Hedgehog and Mosasaur as one character. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to hop right into it. Going to go right here. I'm going to draw a slight curve for kind of the brow of the Mosasaur. Down over here for the actual eye. Up. Curve down over here. Up. So we're going to make a little difference for the eye. Is we're going to draw a little curve here. So it's going to have that little bit of eyeshadow thing that Shadow has. That little like wing that he has. Line here. And wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. Mouth. Down. Curve. Line over here for kind of the open mouth there. And down over here, back for that open crocodile style mouth. So far, very Mosasaur-y, right? Curve line over here for the inside, and then line over here for the lower portion of the mouth itself. Going down. Line over here. And we're going to go over here and draw the teeth inside. Again, so far it's like we're drawing a regular Mosasaur, right? The teeth are not wildly big or anything like that. They're just kind of, there. You want to vary up the size a little bit, but it doesn't have to be anything amazing. And then we want the back side over here. So it's going to be, you see the back end of the mouth. And then same thing right here, kind of back end of the mouth itself. We're going to go inside over here and draw the teeth as well in the bottom row. Again, vary up the size, but nothing too crazy, nothing too wild. Gonna go over here, curve for the tongue. There we go. And right over here for the bottom of the jaw. So now let's get into the more Shadow-esque features. So right now we're gonna go over here, triangle down. It's gonna have Shadow's ear, triangle on the inside. Pulling it. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, or at least give me the name of this character. What would Shadow mix with a Mosasaur? What would that character be named? And I'm going to hit the, what do you call it? I'm going to pin the comment that I like the best, okay? I'm going to pin it. So go for it. You just try a bunch of them, and if I like the best one, I'm going to pin. Curve, curve, curve. Over here on the inside. We want him to have a nose. I'm trying to think about what I want for the nose. Okay, we're going to line out down. We're going to draw that cork kind of looking, cork-shaped nose that he has. Of Shadow. Over here on the far end. Down right there for the back ear. Curve over here for the soft underbelly, right? Of like Mosasaur's body. Back fin right there. And then we're going over here, we're going to draw the front fin right there. Down over here. For the very, very back fin, sorry, for the very end of the tail right there. Down over here. And we're going to be pulling up just a bit. And then we're going to have the opposite, right? The fin on the bottom there on this side. Right there. It's interesting, too, because what I want you to do is I want you to check out the stuff in the description. Don't forget to kind of look at that stuff. It gives you a lot of tools in order for you to improve all your drawing, right? Not just your marker drawing, but also your pencil drawing. There's free stuff. There is how to draw a cute ebook, completely free. There is a complete how to draw Godzilla's head from step 1 all the way to the end. That's free right now. Go check that out. That's not going to stay free, right? These things are stuff that I would normally sell, but I will sell them one day, but right now they're free. So because you found this video, go check it out. I think the Godzilla one's in the Gumroad. And then I'm not sure which one's going to be, but Joe, check that out. There's playlists with a bunch of videos. There's so much hours of stuff on here. So take a look at that if you're really into art and you really want to dive in and you really want to engross yourself in this world. Start watching stuff every day. Do it, All right. I'm going to go over here. down, up. And now we're gonna put the kind of the the other part right there, the spike, right? That back, pulling down for that shadow area. Down just a bit. Okay. We're gonna go over here and draw another curve up for the other spike, and one more right there, showing that it's kind of back there. And I might even throw another extra in the back, like a small one, just to kind of show the little like spikiness of that appearance. So let's go into this right here. You draw a curve down, another curve. It's gonna be like a ring. He usually has it on his shoe, but I'm gonna draw the kind of a tail at the end of that, the Mosasaur tail. Right on. And then I'm gonna go over here, up, and what's it called? Down over here, and okay, we're gonna put the shadow-esque stuff, right? What is the shadow-esque stuff? He's gonna have a design right there at the top, so we're gonna draw a thin line right here. He's got a color change on the top of that spike. It's gonna let you know. He's got like this little thing on his chest. Zigzag, 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 straight down, pulling up, zigzag a little bit as it disappears, right? You want that there. Gonna go over here on this side over here, down right there, and down right here, down right here, for that little spike. And you can even put them at the end over here if you want. Maybe something like this, a little bit different, like this, but there will be like a color change, right, which is gonna dictate kind of how we think of like shadow, and or like this character's attributes of shadow. Let's go into his face now. I'll make him a little bit more scaly, so maybe a line under here, curve right here just a little bit, maybe curve over here from the mouth. We want him to look like more or less kind of reptilian. You could fill in this right here, but I'm not gonna do it right now. It's fine. It's you don't need to, but you could fill that in. Line out, line over here, curve, line over here. And maybe another little line right there, but you can throw as many of those lines as you want because this is ultimately going to be a reptilian character, right? But again, give me that name, I'll pin it. I want you to stay right there, and we're going to start another drawing lesson, okay? Either share the video, which is a big help. That's the best free way to say thank you. Share the video, or, and stick around, okay? Stick around. We're going to go into another drawing lesson right now, so let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.